I'm going to be using these two colors. It's the blue and pale blue, flat white and the black, and this angled brush. Here are the shoes. They're in youth sizes. It's going to be for my little sister. Boom. Here we go. Your before. First, I'm going to take the laces off of both shoes. I'm going to be wiping off the white factory finish off of these shoes so that the paint can adhere better and last longer. You need the shoes using gloves. Using cotton pads to clean it off, but you can also use cotton balls or a rag. Going in with the blue first. Well. This is the first layer of paint. I painted at least 3 layers, and you want to make sure that each layer dries before you paint another one. This is what the shoe looks like after I painted 3 layers of paint. You can do another one if you want, but this one will suffice. Then I went in with the black paint and colored all of the swooshes black. I went in with this one because the detailing that I'm going to be doing is black, so it matches the rest of the shoe. After all of the swooshes have been painted, I painted a black line across the shoe and in the stitches, as you can see here. Now I will draw the outline for the drip that I want for the swoosh with a pen. You can use any color pen if you're using black paint, but if you're using a light colored paint, then I recommend use a light colored pen to match so it doesn't smudge. Here is what my drip outline looks like, and I did that for all of the swooshes, but you can do it for the outside only or whatever you'd like. This makes it easier so that when you paint, you have a guide. And I am going over that with the black paint again. For the drip, I am using these 2 brushes. This brush will be used this section because it fills it faster, and then this one will be used to trace over the outline and then fill in the little spaces. I have these little marks that I accidentally painted on the shoe. There's some blue here, black here, up here, there's blue here. Clean all of those marks up and make the shoe look cleaner. I got some Q-tips and the leather prepare and deglazer. I'm just gonna dip that in there and then wipe off whatever I want to clean up. I finished cleaning up the shoe to the best of my ability. Now I will add little details to make it look more cartoony. So I'll add white highlights on the drip, and then I'll add black lines, and the shoe should be done after that. How they came out after I added the black lines as well as the white lines to give it that more of a cartoonish look. I like how they came out, and I hope my little sister does as well. This is what I am using to finish off the shoes. What this does is it protects the paint, helps the shoe last longer.